Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute, and today I'll be sharing the small tutorial which I recycled from the tutorial I've shared earlier, which is the one majorly playing at the background. So I made this upcycled denim bag with the same tutorial which I used to make a very small purse for those who have watched it. So all you need to do is just go back to the video with the link will be posted in the comment section, the caption, and you can do this tutorial by yourself. And before I say that, before I go on, let's say do not throw away your scraps. After all, we all want to save the earth, we want to save the environment, so you need to keep your scraps because they come in very handy. And for this tutorial, what you need materials will just be maybe 1 yard or a meter of denim or any other fabric of choice. And you can also cut your old jeans up and use them. Remember, the goal is save the earth, reduce the waste, reuse, and recycle. So like I said earlier, I use the same pattern I use in this short video. It's on the channel and the link will be posted in the caption like I've told you. And I increased the measurement, of course, because I really wanted to make a very big tote bag because I'm a big bag fan. And I added pockets to the lining because we need those extra pockets for phones, for keys, for cards, and a lot more. No one wants to be rummaging through a bag to find a lip gloss. So go ahead and add a lot of pockets, as much as you want, inside or outside. And at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a very good time to click the button, please, and also follow me on my social media accounts. I'll also paste the links in the caption. Please do me a favor and follow me, and you can send me a DM. I'll holler back at you. If you want to follow back, I'll follow you right back. So I don't like throwing away my fabric scraps because every tiny piece is useful. Just get a storage bag to keep them in neatly. So I made irregular patterns, one overlapping the other. To create these patterns you see on the bag, I used one of the embroidery designs on my sewing machine, and I also used rainbow threads to achieve this colorful tote because these rainbow threads are absolutely beautiful, especially when used for simple designs and decorative stitches or simple embroidery. If you're based in Nigeria and you need to purchase some, I'll drop my WhatsApp contact in the caption as well to link you to my supplier. And for those outside Nigeria, you can send me a DM on my socials or my email, which is nigerianfashionpreneur@gmail.com. I'll link you up on how to get rainbow threads too. And look at the result we have. Please try this design and you will love it. Try with different sizes for yourself, or maybe you want to make it as a side business, lined and unlined anyhow you want it. If you won't line your bag, don't forget to either overlock the raw seams, or if you're not overlocking, you can use bias taping to finish, or you can also do French seams finish. I have a short video on that, and I'll make sure I drop the link in the caption to help you with your finishing if you do not have overlocker or you do not have sergers. And do not forget to subscribe and follow me on my socials. Till I see you next time, keep the creative juice flowing always.